Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we'll take a look inside of One Piece Film Z on Blu-ray. So here is the cover. The spine, there you go, spine. The back. And the other spine. Take the slipcover off, you get a little more of the same. And then you open it up and you get the DVD on the left and the Blu-ray on the right. They're about the same. And then on this side you get that. And then on this side you get that. So this has been One Piece Film Z on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.